In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Alibaba account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm you're signed in, all in a clear and simple way. Start by opening your web browser and going to alibaba.com. You can type the address directly or search for Alibaba and select the official result. Make sure you're on the correct website before continuing. The homepage can be busy, so take a moment to let everything load. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where the Sign In option lives. Click Sign In. Depending on your screen size, you might see it as text or within a small menu, but it will be on the right side. If a landing page appears that highlights account options, choose the Sign In option again to proceed to the login form. The goal is to reach the standard Sign In panel. Now you're at the login form. In the email field, carefully type the email address you use for your Alibaba account. In the password field, enter your password. Take a second to check for typos and make sure caps lock isn't on. For accuracy, it can help to type slowly and verify each character. Keep your login details private and avoid entering them on public or shared devices. When everything looks correct, click the Continue button. On some screens, the button may appear after both fields are filled in, so ensure both boxes have content. Give the page a moment to process your sign-in. After a successful login, you'll be taken back to Alibaba and you'll be signed in. To confirm you're in the right account, look again at the top right corner. You should see your profile area in that same spot on the right. Instead of the sign-in prompt, you'll now see your account section. Your display name should be visible there, which is the easiest way to confirm you're logged in. That's it. You navigated to Alibaba, used the sign-in option on the right, entered your email and password, clicked Continue, and verified your profile on the top right to make sure you're signed in. If a page refreshes or redirects along the way, just follow the same flow back to the sign-in form and continue. With these steps, logging in becomes quick and consistent every time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along.